Hi, I'm Gil. I am a consultant and I work in the education industry, K-12, and I give Airtable a big 5 out of 5. Prior to Airtable, I used Google Sheets and I also use Excel. Both of those were just a little too complex for both me and my clients. It was just very difficult to use and to make adjustments and to share data. Airtable is extremely simple to use. I like the fact that it has several different viewing formats. You can come up with kanban, you can do various tables, you can make you can provide photographs for directories or what have you. Just a number of different ways that you can present the data, much more flexible than other software. Airtable was extremely easy to implement. They offer a variety of tutorials and online help. Their support is good as well, but I found that it was easy to implement the item. It was very intuitive. For those that might be considering Airtable, I would strongly recommend that you download the trial version and that you try it out in every capacity that you think you might need. You'll find that it's pretty intuitive and easy to use, but I think you'll find any faults that you might have with it in that easy trial area.